So today I'm gonna actually show you how to actually start up programs when you're barely logging into Windows 10. So I usually use this at work. Like let's just say when I first log in, I want let's say Google Chrome. I want kind of like Outlook running. Just kind of like these programs that I usually always use. I want them to start up when I log in. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, and I'm just gonna show you two examples. So the first one is gonna be, of course, Google Chrome, and then I might do probably some sort of I'll probably do some sort of text editor. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hit the Windows button and you're gonna click on the letter R. So this is gonna open up the run command. So once you have that open, the command that you're gonna be running is shell colon startup. Hit OK or enter, and you're gonna see this window open up. So let's go right ahead and get Google Chrome, or you could do the shortcut. I mean, I don't have any shortcuts here, so I'm just gonna show you. So let's just go to, oh, where am I? Okay, Google Chrome. We'll go to more, open file location, and I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it. Now let's go right ahead and find that text editor. Now I don't have Word, but I have LibreOffice, so let's go to LibreOffice and let's just get this writer software. Hit more, the same thing. Open file location, and do the exact same thing. Copy, paste, and that is it. That is the only thing you need to do. So I'm gonna go right ahead and reboot the workstation and show you exactly what happens when you log in. Okay, so we're logging in right now. It's gonna let it do its thing, and the program should be opening soon. So as you can see, Chrome opened up, and the LibreOffice software is opening. All right, so there we go. We have, of course, Google Chrome, and we have this writer software open. Alrighty, everybody, so that is the end of the video. I really do hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and like always, I will go right ahead and catch you on the next one.